Do you want to know how to sue someone that wronged you? Do you dream of dragging their ass through years of litigation just to torment them? If the answer is yes, then stick around, watch this video, like, share and subscribe to our social channels, including YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and if you want to help us out, subscribe to our Patreon, patreon.com/LaylaTurl. Firstly, you need to figure out the relevant legal principle under which you can take action. For example, did some commit a tort against you? The best guide to figure this out is the 4th edition of McMahon and Vinci's Law of Torts. It's a big F-off orange book and a must-have to sue the arse of people. Once you establish your claim under tort, contract, etc., then you need to draft your summons. If it's high court, because the monetary jurisdiction is in excess of 75 grand, you will ordinarily issue a plenary summons. We have posted pictures of a draft summons immediately after this video. In the summons, you will set out a brief of your claim in the section titled Endorsement of Claim. You will need to file and issue the summons once drafted from the Central Office of the High Court, Inns Quay, Dublin 7. You will need to make an appointment through the courts.ie website under the title Appointments. Once issued, then you need to serve the summons either personally on an individual or by registered post on a company. They will then ordinarily file an appearance and give you a copy. Once served, then you need to draft a statement of claim and give the statement of claim to your opponent within 28 days of the service of the summons. A statement of claim is a document that outlines the plaintiff's case and sets out the basis for their claim against the defendant. It typically includes the following sections. Heading: this includes the court's name, the parties' names, and their respective roles, plaintiff and defendant. It also includes the case number and the title of the document, usually statement of claim. Introduction: the introduction provides an overview of the case, including a brief description of the parties, their roles, and the subject matter of the claim. Particulars of the plaintiff: this section includes the plaintiff's name, address, and other relevant contact information. It may also include a brief description of the plaintiff's legal status or capacity to sue. Particulars of the defendant: similar to the plaintiff's particulars, this section provides the defendant's name, address, and contact information. Any relevant details about the defendant's legal status or capacity may also be included. Statement of facts: this is the core of the statement of claim. It outlines the facts and events that give rise to the plaintiff's claim. It should be a chronological and coherent narrative that explains the background, circumstances, and incidents that form the basis of the claim. Legal basis: this section explains the legal principles or laws that the plaintiff believes support their claim. It may reference specific statutes, regulations, case law, or contractual provisions that are relevant to the case. Cause of action: here, the plaintiff lists the specific legal causes of action they are asserting against the defendant. For instance, these could include breach of contract, negligence, defamation, etc. Each cause of action should be explained in a separate paragraph. Relief sought: this section outlines the specific remedies or relief the plaintiff is seeking from the court. It could be monetary damages, injunctive relief, specific performance, etc. The relief sought should be directly related to the causes of action mentioned earlier. Conclusion: the conclusion typically states the total amount of damages claimed, if applicable. It might also express the plaintiff's willingness to provide further information or evidence during the course of the proceedings. Verification: this is where the plaintiff or their legal representative signs and verifies that the statement of claim is true to the best of their knowledge and belief. Then you will ordinarily receive a defense and/or counterclaim. There are a number of other avenues to explore, such as discovery, interrogatories, witness summons, which are videos in themselves, but we wanted to give you a brief understanding of the process to kick off your proceedings. Happy suing, fuckers!